This is Jellycat, the Bashful Beige Bunny. This beauty is the large, 14 inches tall. So there you go, 14 inches tall. Let's look at him front and back. Look at his little tail. So cute. So cute. This plush manages to both be minimalistic and irresistibly lovable. As I said, 14 inches of a bundle of softness. It has one job, and it nails it, to be hugged. This is the fur is velvety smooth. It's the kind that makes you subconsciously pet it, like it's a real animal. I don't want to stop. I love these long, floppy ears. They're basically a built-in comfort device. I do this thing with my dog, so this Jellycat does not cut corners. Every stitch is so beautiful. Every single stitch, you just can't imagine. It's sturdy, and the hand-finished details give it that high-end luxury, timeless look. Look at this little face. Oh my God. I love that it's just not for babies or toddlers. My teens, they just can't resist this bunny's charm. Whether it's sitting in a pretty nursery or tucked under your arm during a tough day or sitting on my teen's bed. Just so cute. Size-wise, the large is perfect. Big enough to snuggle, small enough to not take over your bed. So if you've been eyeing the medium, I suggest the large. Go bigger. It feels more like a true companion than a toy. Bottom line, if you want a keepsake level stuffed animal that is as soft and as it is sentimental, look at that face. This is the one. The Jellycat Bashful Beige Bunny. This is not just a plushie. It is an emotional support animal with big, beautiful floppy ears. Love it.